Good morning, everybody. Here is Kitchen Counter Talk because I believe that every kitchen counter has a story to tell, and so here is mine. So this morning I have some cheddar cheese, farmhouse cheddar cheese, that I need to go ahead and put into food saver bags. It's dried out, so I need to put it in food saver bags and put it in the fridge for about a month to 2 months. Right here I have some yogurt that I pulled out of the freezer to use as my culture to start another batch of yogurt in my yogurt maker. I'm finished with the cheese press for a little bit, so I am letting it dry out completely before I put it away. And then over here I have what will be, I think, lunch. And I need to get rid of a bunch of stuff in the fridge, as you can tell, so I'm just going to basically combine it and make a casserole, which is awesome. This is what you should just open up your fridge and see what you got left over. So let's see what I have. I've got some leftover bacon. I've got some smoked chicken. This is actually sweet ricotta whey. It's really creamy cheese that you can make out of the whey after you make your farmhouse cheddar. So just another way to still get more cheese out of the whey, which is awesome. I did grab a can of corn. I'm going to throw that in there. I've got some rice and I got some broth, and I'm basically just going to put it in this blue casserole dish and call that lunch. I have dirty dishes because that's how I roll. Over here I made waffles this morning, which I have a few left over right here, sourdough waffles. So that's cooling off just before I put it away. I'm going to make some butter, so I have some cream in there. And after I'm done with this video, I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes of whipping that, and then I'll wash and clean the butter. I am low on coffee, so I'm going to go pull some organic coffee beans out of the freezer, give them a grind in that, and then fill that thing up. Then I've got my tinctures, and then here I'm making some sourdough biscuits for dinner. So it's fermenting on the counter until nighttime when I go ahead and plop them in. I've got some sprouts. I've got 2 things of sourdough starter. One I like to bring out of the fridge once in a while and then put it back to sleep, just so I have the extra one in case something happens to this one. And this is a gluten-free one that I'm trying to revive. It's needing a little extra TLC, so we're gonna see what happens. And then I ground up some wheat berries with my mock mill this morning, so I put that in the fridge. And then I've got some sourdough honey butter rolls that are my favorite. So that's what's going on in my kitchen. How about yours?